Welcome to a brand new chapter of coastal living in beautiful new Smyrna Beach, Florida. This exquisite single-family residence, built in 2023, offers the ideal canvas for comfortable living. Boasting a single-story layout, it features 3 generously sized bedrooms, 2 modern bathrooms, and a convenient attached garage. Step inside, and you'll be captivated by the soaring vaulted ceilings that infuse every corner with spaciousness and airiness. The contemporary design and thoughtful layout make this home a haven for families or anyone seeking to savor the laid-back Florida lifestyle. Built in 2023, this 1,302 square foot gem could be your very own slice of paradise. Interested? Contact us to make this place your new home sweet home. Start your coastal living journey today.